Welcome back to the another video. My name is Ashish. So in this particular video, we will see about what is a switched mode power converter. Okay, SMPC. So the switch mode power converter is an electronic power supply unit that uses the switching regulators to efficiently convert the electric power. The key features of a switched mode power converter is their ability to convert the electric energy using high frequency switching and energy storing element like inductor, capacitors and transformer. These converters are widely used in the various applications due to their high efficiency, compact size, and ability to handle a wide range of input and output voltage. So, in other word, if I want to talk about the switched mode power converter, they are power electronic circuits, very compact in size, which uses the high switching power devices. Very high switching frequency it has 50 hertz, 100 hertz, 50 kilohertz, 100 kilohertz, up to 1 megahertz frequency application. So size of this converter is very small and they are very efficient because they have high energy conversion ratio. So the switch mode power converters can be of any form. They can be basically can work with AC voltages or they can work with the DC voltages. They can convert AC voltage to DC voltage, they can convert DC voltage to AC voltage and vice versa. So what are the different types of SMPCs? So I have already told you that they can be of various types. So first one is a DC to DC converter which convert the DC voltage to DC voltage. Here it may be can step up the voltage or step down the voltage. Accordingly, we called it as a step up DC to DC converter or step down DC to DC converter. Another name for those are buck converter and boost converter. And one more category is there, that is buck boost converter. Then second one is a AC to DC converter. So AC to DC converter are also called as a rectifier. Rectifier is a electronic circuitry which converts the AC voltage to the DC voltage. Third one is a DC to AC converter. So DC to AC converter are the inverters which take DC as an input and convert it into the AC, which generally we have in our house that we call as a inverter. Fourth one is a AC to AC converter. This is called as a cyclo converter. What is cyclo converter? This takes AC as an input and convert AC as an output without changing its frequency. So it is kind of a transformer like, okay, and basically we can change the frequency as well. Without changing frequency also we can change the voltage level, and basically we can change the frequency level. That is the thing which we have when you use the AC to AC converter. So it is in transformer we can't change the frequency level, but here when we use the AC to AC converter, that time we have that luxury to change the frequency. Okay, so these are the different four types of the switched mode power converters. Now what are the key characteristics of the switched mode power converter? So high efficiency, very high switching frequency devices it utilize in their converter. So because of this, what is happen, basically their energy conversion ratio is very much high. Second thing is a compact size. As I already told you that basically these are very small devices. Then wide input voltage range. So basically these devices are basically available from 10 volt to 50 volt, 100 volt, 600 volt. Now the new devices are coming that are the wide band gap devices. These devices are now we can use for very high voltage level up to the kilovolt levels. So that is the luxury we have. Then output regulations basically. So either what kind of output we want 1 volt, 0.5 volt, 100 volt, 1000 volt, any kind of either AC or DC, any kind of output we will get, and output is well regulated. It is not like that I want 10 volt, it is fluctuating from 8 volt to 12 volt. With the help of switched mode power converter, we can get very accurate output. What exactly the output requirement we have, we will get that kind of, if requirement is a 10 volt, 9.9 to 10.1 volt, this kind of output we will get. Then the reduce heat generation. So basically the various different types of the cooling system, heat sinks are available. So with that, basically heat is also very less dissipated. Then, if you talked about the applications of the SMPC, so everywhere, if you see around you, you will find out the application of power electronics. Power electronics is nothing but the switched mode power converter. So either it is a consumer electronics end or industrial equipment, or you can talk about telecommunication, renewables energy sector, or automotive system. Everywhere you can see the application of switched mode power converter. So various applications are there. So you can go through this slide, you will understand the different applications. So this is all about this video. Hope so. This is a basic video about switch mode power converter. What is switch mode power converter? What are the different types of switch mode power converter, and what is the key features of SMPC, and what are the applications where we will use. You have learned from this video, and hope so you have enjoyed. So thank you.